Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to remove app lock, means how to turn off app lock in Infinix mobile. Friends, you don't want to use app lock setting on Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to turn off app lock. So friends, now let's see how to turn off app lock on Infinix mobile one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting to off app lock. After on phone setting, friends, search here app lock setting. App lock setting, friends, click here. After on app lock setting, friends, click here. Enter your app lock password. Draw your app lock pattern, friends. So friends, I will draw my app lock pattern. And friends, you want to lock any app, you want to unlock any app, so you can lock and you can unlock from here. Friends, click here right side setting. And friends, you can see enable app lock setting, change password. Friends, you want to change your app lock password, you can change password. Friends, you want to reset your security question, so you can reset also. So friends, I will remove app lock, turn off option. Friends, come back. Friends, you can see app lock setting we cannot use on Infinix mobile. If you click, friends, again you will have to set up your app lock. So when draw your pattern again, enter security option, and again friends you can start your app lock setting, and you don't want to use, click here turn off option, app lock remove. We cannot use app lock on Infinix mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to turn off app lock in Infinix mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. And friends, now do you have any doubt related to your app lock setting, screen lock, password setting, face lock, fingerprint lock, you can ask me in comment section. Bye friends.